What's good, what's good, what's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. What's good, guys? Hey, man, I wanted to shoot this video today because, man, yesterday I was shooting a video and I thought I hit the record button again, man, and I just uploaded the shit, did my little editing, uploaded it. And I guess I didn't finish, so fully on me, man. I should have checked my whole video this time, and I thought I just hit the resume button. And it did, man. It was some crazy ass people driving yesterday, man, on the highway. They were just dipping and swerving. It was big ass semis dipping and swerving. So I'm like, whoa. Let me get past everybody. So you know me, I threw my horses on. Got straight through the shit. But I wasn't recording, man. So, shout out, man. It's Friday, man. It's MCA payday. It's a TCP payday. If you're inside Power Mining Pool, you paid every 3 hours. Guys, I mean, easy one up. You know, your direct pay. Well, guys, all the other things that we're out here doing, man, just to make money, CPA, things like that, man. Let's just keep winning, man, okay? But at the end of the day, like I said, I didn't finish shooting the video, but pretty much here, guys, the way I'm utilizing the Conversion Pros with MCA, man, was that I utilized the Conversion Pros as a marketing system that works for me 24/7, and it pretty much explains. So it sells and tells about MCA. It shows payment proof. Pretty much does everything. And if people don't join after they enter their information in the beginning, then I have a message follow-up series that goes out. And, it sends out messages daily to build relationships with them. And sometimes I'll send out a broadcast message just of something that I'm promoting, or you know, if it's something that I'm doing, some type of affiliate product or something that I'm offering. Like that. But guys, it's definitely, you know, a good tool that you can use. See, a lot of people join MCA and they don't have anything to market the program with, so they get stuck. They just kind of give it a website, and they don't know people are really checking their website out or anything. So with the marketing system, you're able to see if someone hit it. You know, if they entered in their email or their phone number or name, you can actually see that they checked it out. So it weeds out tire kickers. So that's the best thing about it. Now, you do earn a residual income with the Conversion Pros, so that's why I call it the Paid on Fridays funnel. Conversion Pros pays out every Friday a residual income, and MCA pays out a 200% income as far as the sales that you make the week before. So again, that's an advanced commission. So they pay that $80 up front. Okay. Now, it's not you get paid from the same person every goddamn week. Okay, no, it's not that. Now, Conversion Pros, it pays out. So if someone signs up on the 5th, you're going to get paid out again the 5th of next month as well. So that's how you look at the Conversion Pros. Now, again, it's a marketing tool suite that allows you to pretty much get to the next level in business, and it also helps you market and promote MCA. Also helps you brand yourself as well. So if you do bring people in, you're able to give them your share codes where they can actually follow the same instructions and have the same exact pages and systems that you have as well. And that's if you guys do different programs, if it's MCA, whatever it is that you're doing. The Conversion Pros allows you to pretty much promote anything. It's an evergreen marketing system that allows you to build systems around any marketing program, any direct sales program. So, best thing to have in your arsenal, man. So you don't have to go and spend money in multiple places. So you're having it all in one place with the Conversion Pros. So you're tracking your links, you know, where people are clicking on the most at, you know, you're able to do that. So it's a good, beautiful thing, man. Beautiful thing. All right. So again, I didn't get to finish shooting my video yesterday, and again, that was really because I thought I hit the resume button on my phone, and I didn't. So that's why I'm talking about this now, finishing up. Okay. So with people at MCA, they make anywhere between $80 to $1,000+ a week. They'll go out and they'll market and promote either the benefits or the opportunity. For you guys that don't know what MCA is, they've been around since 1926. They are a motor club company that offers also assurance as well. So the assurance, name some of the things that we offer as far as hotel and rental discounts, RX discounts, medical and hospital stay benefits. Well, not medical benefits, but hospital stay benefits. If you're injured, legal representation, credit card protection, of course, the unlimited roadside service, just to name some. But you get over $150,000 worth of benefits that protect you and your family on and off the road. So when you go out here and you share the information with someone else, then pretty much if they like it, then and the company will pay you an $80 advance commission up front. And you can do this with unlimited amount of people. You're not restricted. We're not going to cap you off. anything. So if you decide you want to go and bring in 100 people a week, that's you. But that's going to be up to you, your audience, the type of budget you have, the things that you're going to do as far as, really following up, reaching people, calling, doing lifestyle videos. There's a lot that plays a part into this business, but we show you how to do that. So don't think that we don't show you, okay? I am a person that answers my phone, so if you do say, man, I mean, people, they want to just get you in. No, I'm not that kind. I don't want you to join me if you're not going to put in work. Money, I get money regardless, so it's not going to hurt me if you don't join me. So I'm not going to tell you no bullshit. That's one thing I'm not going to do. A lot, man, I'm going to be honest, man, I learned a lot, really, man, just from, even in crypto, man. When you do crypto, you got to be careful, man, because like I said, when you show your money, your back office, and what you're doing, you're enticing people to join. And when they fail, now they can take class action lawsuits against you, stuff like that. So you got to be careful, man, when you're promising people stuff and telling them stuff, man. So that's why I try my best to say, hey, this is what you can do, but your work ethic is up to you. We will give you the tools. We will give you everything that you need. But I don't know your audience. So if you got an audience, you got a budget, you want to get out here and learn how to generate leads for free, we can show you how to do that as well. You got a budget, we can show you how to go get traffic. I don't know what you got, but I provide you everything you need. Okay? So this your boy Jay. I'm going to wrap this on up, man. It's Friday. I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Whatever you do, take some profits out, buy some traffic. If you know someone that can benefit from this information, definitely share this video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. If you don't like this video, kiss my ass, walk out, don't watch me again. Hey, it's all good, but it's all love. I'm out. Peace.